Hey guys, it's Eric. I'm back again. So right now, this is before. I'm going to go ahead and start doing this right now. It's been raining for several days, quite often. The storms are pretty much past for now. We have about a week's break, and we got more rain coming in. So I should be able to easily be able to till up now. We shall see what happens. I'm going to till this up here. I don't know, a couple inches down or so, see how much I can do. And then I'm gonna go over here. This is where I told you before that the coop has broken through the bottom. I'm gonna take, I don't know if I want to take all that. I might take that, all that underneath there. I'm gonna take some of that off. So shovel, scoop it back over there and mix it in and let it sit. Just put it right back over there. Just gonna hopefully start my garden up. I know chicken's poop's supposed to sit for a while, but that's basically all that's in there. I used chicken poop, that chicken poop basically, and also some of their old bedding. Mixed it up, and that's what had that pepper plant started growing. We ended up losing that because it was just too hot and just couldn't keep up with it. So we lost all that stuff. See, it's gone. So at least I know it works. And I'm gonna bring it back in a minute, and you'll see the next stage of starting to get it all tilled up. I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, this literally took me literally like a minute or two. The ground's real soft. I'm using here's my little Ryobi. They call it a cultivator, but it's just an 18 volt. It's real basic. It's a little 4 little tines on it to get it started up. Anyways, this is the same one you just saw. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue over there. I want to try to put you on my little tripod deal here. See if it'll hold. You can see how this thing works. It's not the best, but it works pretty good. So let's see what we can do. Let's put this over here real quick and get you lined up real quick. Give me 1 second here. All right, here we go. So there you go, guys. That's it. It's pretty fast. So anyways, guys, I will cut back in a minute. I'll put in the cobblestone chickens down. Be right back. Alright, guys. I'm out of breath, sorry. This is the chicken couples on there. Now it's getting dark. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this done real quick. I'm gonna use the rake, get it kind of folded up, maybe my tiller, get it mixed up real good, and then we'll leave it at that for now. The ground's still pretty wet, so I'm gonna leave it like that, but we'll see what happens. I don't know if I had a battery. Alright guys, sorry about that. Here, let's go. Let's see what we get. Alright, use the rake now, I guess, for the finished part of it. Or actually the shovel, probably. No, let's do the rake. I think I'm good for now. Let's leave it alone. Tomorrow, I'll come and put the raised bed together. And I'll put some water on it. Maybe stir it up again real quick. Maybe put some more down. So we'll see. And then I'll post this up here in a little bit. And we'll see what happens. See you guys in the next one. Have a good day. Oh, hey guys, if you guys can, like, subscribe, comment, help me out a bunch. And I'm gonna keep going. Thanks guys, have a good day.